असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone, this is Mahendra. In this video we are going to solve exercise 9.1 problem number 7. Look at the question. The marks of 30 students of a class obtained in a test out of 75 marks are given below. So these are the marks given out of 75 marks of 30 students. Form a frequency table with equal class intervals. Okay, so we have to form a frequency distribution table. Okay, right. So he given hint, one of them being 0 to 10. So he has given one hint. Okay, right. Based on this hint we are going to make class intervals. Right. So class interval and number of students. So first one 0 to 10 and 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Okay, so the maximum marks is 75 only. Okay, right. We shall take there 0 maybe. Right. This is the required table. So here I am taking the table in horizontal direction. Okay. So because of lack of space, right. So now 0 to 10, between how many students we have? We shall look here. 0 to 10. 0 to 10, nobody is there, I think. Yes. So between 0 to 10 marks, so no students are there. So that is why I am taking here 0. So number of students got 0 to 10 between marks 0. So we shall check for now 10 to 20. Look at here. So okay, I will explain later. Now 10 to 20. So between 10 and 20, how many students we have? No, nobody is there. Yeah, here 17, 2 members, and this 14, 3 members, 3 and 4. Okay, so here 4 members are there, and once again check it. Between 0 and 10 we have one member here, so we have done a mistake. Okay, take one here. Okay, because between 0 to 10 we have one student here. Okay, right. So this is over, and this is over, this is also over. Right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 over. Next, between 20 to 30. Between 20 to 30. So here 1 and 2, only 2 are present. It means 21, 29, and here it is 23, 27 also. 3 members. Yeah, 3 students got the between 20 to 30 marks. Okay, here it is 3. Right. Next 30 to 40. 30 to 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members. Okay, between 30 to 40, 6 students there here. They got between 30 to 40 marks. Next we shall check for 40 to 50. So this is 40 to lies between 40 to 50. So 40 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and 5, 6, sorry, this is 6, 7 members. Look at here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 members. Next, 50 to 60. Between 50 to 60 class interval. 50 to 60 we need to check. 1. So look at here. So I will explain here. Okay. 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So look at here. 40 to 50. Okay, between 40 to 50 I have written 7 only. So what about this 50? The 50 mark students comes here or here. Here also 50 is there and here also 50 is there. So what about this? So these are these class intervals called exclusive class intervals. Okay, nothing but continuous class intervals. So here the 50 mark students comes under between 50 to 60. Okay, not here. The 50 marks consider as this class interval. Okay, did you get that? The 50 marks comes under 50 to 60 class interval. Okay, 50 will not count here. We shall count here it is. Okay, right. Now we go for 60 to 70. So how many are present? 60 to 70 between, only I think 1 member here, and 70 to 80 there is no students. Okay, 0. Now we have to check, we need to get 30 students. Okay, so 1 plus 4 5, 8 plus 4 14, 21, 28, 29. So 1 missed here. Shall check once again. 5, 3, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14, 7, 21, 28, 29. We need to get 30 actually here. Let us check once again. 30, 60 to 70. 60 to 70. Okay. 61 is only one candidate is there. We shall check 50 to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Between 50 to 67 only. 40 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 only. Okay, 30 to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. Okay, 30 to 40 we have 7 members. Okay, forgot to write, sorry for that. Right, this is the frequency distribution table. Okay, right, in this way we make the frequency distribution tables. Okay, right, this is the solution. Right.